Life can feel like a grind, with little progress despite putting in a lot of effort. Many people spend years striving for the life they envision, but fail to make significant progress. The truth is, while others may seem to accomplish more with the same 24 hours, it's not because they are inherently better or luckier. It's because they understand a key principle that can change everything: the importance of focus, action, and intentionality. This article breaks down 9 powerful steps to help you achieve 5 years of progress in just 1 year. 1. Choose one goal and believe in it wholeheartedly. At the core of every achievement lies belief. Most people have dreams, but deep down, they don't believe those dreams will come true. They rely on luck, but luck isn't a strategy. Success begins with setting a clear goal and brainwashing yourself into believing it's possible, no matter how far-fetched it seems to others. Once you define a goal, write it down. Keep it in front of you every day. As humans, we're incredibly good at reaching what we truly desire, as long as we clearly know what it is. Every choice you make should bring you closer to this goal, even if progress isn't linear. Many fail because they chase conflicting goals. Imagine taking steps towards 2 different directions. You move closer to one goal, but further from the other, only to step back to remedy it. The effort is wasted. Remember, speed comes from focus, not force. Picking one goal allows you to channel all your energy in one direction, accelerating your progress. 2. Find one source of truth and commit fully. With so much information and advice available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The solution is to find one source of truth, whether it's a mentor, book, or successful role model, and commit to following their path. People often fail because they start a plan but abandon it halfway through. However, those who succeed stick to one plan long enough to see results. They trust the process even when it seems slow. Instead of chasing shortcuts or jumping from one strategy to another, commit to one approach and put in the necessary time and effort. In our experience, we got ahead by simply believing in what we read in business books and applying it relentlessly. Consistency is key. 3. Double your effort for exponential results. One of the most powerful levers you have is effort. Doubling your daily effort will increase your results dramatically. If you're smart and motivated, doubling your effort can result in 4 to 8 times the output in the medium term. Why does this happen? First, with more effort, you'll have less time for distractions and more time to focus on what truly matters. The more you work, the more experience you gain, which compounds over time. As you acquire new tools, you can achieve the same output in half the time. If you double your daily effort, your learning curve accelerates, and soon, you'll make progress 4 times faster than others. Doubling your effort doesn't just give you double the results. It puts you on an entirely different trajectory. Motivate yourself with both fear and desire. Focusing on your goal and working hard will lead to progress. But once you start seeing results, you might become complacent. This is when distractions and temptations will try to pull you off course. To stay on track, remind yourself of what you're running toward and what you're running from. Visualize your goal and the positive impact achieving it will have on your life and the lives of your loved ones. This will give you an initial boost of motivation, but it's equally important to remember what you're trying to escape. Imagine the regret and disappointment of never reaching your potential. Picture a life of mediocrity, watching others surpass you while you sink into bitterness. These are powerful emotions that can reignite your drive. By constantly reflecting on both the rewards of success and the pain of failure, you'll stay focused and motivated, even when the going gets tough. Plan your day to win before it even starts. There are 2 types of people: those who wing it and those who plan. The latter group consistently outperforms the former in every aspect of life, from productivity to emotional well-being. Planning your day in advance removes friction. For example, if you set out your running shoes the night before, you're more likely to go for that morning jog. It's the same with work. If you plan your tasks the night before, you're less likely to procrastinate or be distracted. Start by tackling the hardest or most important task of the day as early as possible. This is known as eating the frog. Once you've accomplished the big task, the rest of your day will feel like a bonus. By structuring your day this way, you ensure that by noon, you've already completed what most people would consider a full day's work. Implement a practice called time blocking, where you dedicate specific chunks of time to high-priority tasks. This focused work, combined with a well-planned day, will set you on a path to exponential growth. Develop a bias for action and speed. In life, action beats intellect. The more you do, the more you learn. It's easy to get stuck overthinking, but speed and action drive learning. As the saying goes, done is better than perfect. Successful people move with urgency, even if it means making mistakes along the way. They know that waiting for the perfect plan or the perfect moment will leave them stagnant. Instead, they act quickly, adjust as they go, and learn from their failures. A billionaire once asked us, "What would it take to achieve your 3-year plan in just 6 months?" That question forced us to think differently, to focus on speed and prioritize learning through doing. The faster you act, the quicker you'll see results. Stop comparing yourself to others. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in comparing your progress to others. But as long as you do, you'll be distracted from what truly matters, your own growth. You're in a race of one, you versus the version of yourself that didn't take action. Focus on your own journey. The people you see as competitors aren't truly your peers. Stop seeking validation from others, and instead, hone your ability to recognize distractions. Often, what appears to be an opportunity is just a distraction in disguise. Take back your focus, rebuild your foundation, and stop worrying about what others think. Once you eliminate comparison, you free up the mental energy needed to focus on your own success. Don't quit at 60%. Many people start a project with enthusiasm, but once they're 50 to 60% into it, they lose steam and quit. When you quit, all the effort you've invested up until that point is wasted. It's easy to tell yourself that you've learned a lot, but until you see something through to completion, the learning is incomplete. Whether it's a project at work or a personal goal, quitting at 60% means you'll never reap the rewards of your efforts. Stick with it. Finish what you start. The only way to make progress is by pushing past the point where most people give up. Get off distraction platforms. Social media, the news, and endless entertainment are designed to distract you. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter pull you away from meaningful progress. To make real headway in life, you need to minimize these distractions. Cut out unnecessary media consumption, and you'll be amazed at how much more time and energy you have for meaningful work. Your life will improve dramatically when you stop wasting time on things that don't matter. Commit to transformation. By focusing on a single goal, committing fully to the process, and increasing your daily effort, you can compress years of progress into just one. The key to success is not luck or talent, but a willingness to take action, stay focused, and push through obstacles. Make these principles part of your daily routine, and you'll soon find yourself achieving more than you ever thought possible. Success is within your reach. Now it's up to you to take the first step. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos.